Ever wonder what soaps, shampoos, ice cream, and even some plastics have in common? The answer is oleochemicals, natural chemicals derived from oils and fats. Think of vegetable oils like coconut, palm, and soybean oil as a Lego castle. When we break them down into basic bricks, we get oleochemicals. These bricks become the building blocks for countless everyday products. Oleochemicals include fatty acids, glycerin, and fatty alcohols, and they are everywhere. In soaps and detergents to clean, in cosmetics to make lotions smooth, in food as emulsifiers, in pharmaceuticals like cough syrup, and even in industrial products like bioplastic and biolubricants. Beyond everyday products, oleochemicals are also used as surface treatments. Their long, fatty tails repel water, while their heads bind to surfaces. This makes materials water-resistant, prevents sticking, and even protects metal from corrosion. As processing aids, oleochemicals are mixed into plastics, rubber, and coatings to reduce friction, prevent static electricity, and stabilize mixtures. They help manufacturers produce higher quality products faster and more efficiently. At TOPWELLGOAL, we specialize in plant-based oleochemical solutions for industries like plastics, rubber, coatings, and paints. Our additives enhance performance, sustainability, and efficiency, helping manufacturers create better products. Contact us to explore partnership opportunities.